All right, so don't have an intro. Got to work on that. I am trying to get everything set up for YouTube videos. My name's Alan. Um, Welcome to All About Stocks. So I am trying to get YouTube set up. I am trying to get everything ready to go. But with that, I have about 2 years of information stored up. So I am slowly trying to get everything filtered out there as well as put in to information so I can start releasing it into YouTube videos. But I am going to try to start releasing YouTube videos probably once a month or once every week or so, and try to start getting some viewers or subscribers. I'm not expecting much at first. Hopefully, some people start joining, and we'll see what happens. Not expecting much, but we'll see. Anyways, I just want to throw out what I've gathered from the last week or so. Some people put this on their channel already. So it's not like great information or anything, or information that's already going around, but just probably another interpretation of it. So we'll just we'll see what y'all think about it. Let me see what I got here for you. Everyone's talking about a stock market crash in 2022, like right at the beginning of January. We're on the 3rd. I mean, the market's opening in like 6 hours. They're already talking about the dollar crashing and, hey, it's going to crash. Well, nah, I don't know about that. I would kind of go with the price of oil probably needs to be a little bit higher. Bond prices need to be higher, and the value of a dollar needs to be a lot higher. And when you see all those kind of sink in line, that's when you probably need to start worrying. That's just my interpretation. You might have a little bump in the road in mid-January. And when I say a bump in the road, I would say those who didn't sell tech in the end of December, they may sell beginning of January, drop in tech. And yeah, you might get a nice sell-off on QQQ or something like that, but it's not going to be, horrible. Now, I'm not saying, tech's going to do great this year. I'm not going to be buying much tech personally, but that's only because I'm probably not going to be much of a tech buyer for the next year or two. That's just me. I'm looking at a lot of other things that y'all, the realtor or the whatever, the other buyers are looking at, and the hedge fund buyers buy what y'all buy. So, y'all are looking at right now, y'all are looking at healthcare. So if everyone's going to healthcare, that means that you should be buying healthcare. So what's trending right now for what everyone's wanting to buy is healthcare. So for example, the trending stock that people are looking at to buy on YouTube is healthcare. Y'all want to know what to buy for YouTube for healthcare. So if that's the case, I would recommend, and I'm not a financial advisor, but if QQQ did so good, that's an ETF. So if you're looking at a personal stock, try looking at ETFs. Just mutual funds. And keep in mind, financial advisors, they're great. Go find a great financial advisor. They'll help you out. That's what they get paid for. And there's on YouTube, there's a bunch of people who always post if they've made money or lost money. Majority of time, 50% of y'all say y'all lost money. I didn't do great in 2021. I didn't do good in 2020. Now, I'm starting out 2022 with $500. My plan is buy, hold, and I'm going to just try to turn the market. I'm not buying options, not doing anything but long-term investment. But that's me. So I'm just trying to be honest. I'm not going to tell you I have millions in the bank and any of that. But I do want y'all to join me on this journey. Hopefully, enough of y'all join me, we can turn this into a community, ask each other for advice, and hopefully make some good money together. But that's just, if we help each other out. Now, if things do come down to a crash or something, keep in mind, REITs, they are a good investment. Energy, that's another great investment. Now, let me stop right here and pull something else up here. I got something for sector rotation, and when technology seems to go down, then you got energy, healthcare, utilities. Energy's XLE, consumer staples as XLP, XLU's utilities, healthcare's XLV. They all seem to do pretty well when technology, that's XLK, they start going down. And then when you start seeing banks go up, that's XLF. That starts going up. That's the end of the rotation. So just keep in mind, when you start seeing banks start going back up, that's usually the end of the recession. I know they're saying, hey, banks are going up right now. I think it's a little early. That's just my personal opinion. But, let's put it this way. Nancy Pelosi, she didn't throw much money into banks. She put a lot of money into tech, but it was for tech going down. So keep that in mind too. Now, also, inflation, deflation, that can go up, down. It all depends on what the Fed does with, hey, we're going to put the interest rates up, down, So the Fed, they could, the Fed, they're kind of everywhere. So you got to keep an eye on the Fed with, they're going to throw, 5 hikes at us this year, 6 hikes. They're supposedly only supposed to do 3 hikes, but you never know with them, especially with the Rona, whatever. So, like I said, the dollar's already going down, but I do want to point out something with Russia. Russia keeps on saying, hey, they're coming, but keep an eye on Russia. I don't expect much out of them, but they have invaded Ukraine before, so keep an eye on Russia. They keep on doing talks of peace, but it's the same old story. That might be in idea to put in money in those defensive stocks. I do promise I'll get better at talking. I do promise I will give you better information. I am working on my entire setup here. I am just trying to give y'all a little bit more information as I go on. Please stay with me, and I'll give you more information as I get it. Thank you. Have a great day.